Hey, I was thinking about personal development recently, and I wondered what kind of skills do you think we should learn to be successful in today's world?
That's a great question. I believe there are several important skills we should focus on. First and foremost, I think digital literacy is crucial. Being comfortable with technology and understanding how to use various digital tools can open up a lot of opportunities.
Absolutely, digital skills are definitely important. I also think communication skills are vital. Being able to convey your ideas clearly and listen effectively can make a big difference in both personal and professional settings.
I agree completely. Good communication can help build relationships and prevent misunderstandings. Another skill that comes to mind is critical thinking. Being able to analyze information and make informed decisions is really valuable.
Critical thinking is essential, especially with the amount of information we encounter daily. It helps us to discern what's relevant and what's not. I also think learning a second language can be a huge advantage. It not only enhances communication, but also broadens our cultural understanding.
That's a great point. Knowing another language can definitely open doors to new experiences and career opportunities. On a similar note, I think adaptability is a key skill. The world is changing so quickly, and being able to adjust to new situations is really important. Adaptability is indeed crucial. Being flexible and open to change can help us navigate challenges more effectively.
Another skill that I find important is emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing our own emotions, as well as empathizing with others, can improve our interactions and relationships.
That's a very important skill. Emotional intelligence can lead to better teamwork and leadership. Speaking of leadership, I think leadership skills are also worth developing. Even if we're not in formal leadership positions, being able to inspire and guide others can be beneficial in many aspects of life.
Leadership skills can help us influence and motivate others positively. Being able to prioritize tasks and manage our time effectively can increase productivity and reduce stress.
I couldn't agree more. Time management helps us stay organized and focused on our goals. It's amazing how many different skills are important for personal and professional growth. It's definitely a lifelong journey to keep learning and improving.
It certainly is, but it's also exciting to think about all the opportunities for growth and development. Thanks for the great conversation. I feel inspired to start working on some of these skills. Me too. It's always good to reflect on these things and set new goals.
Have a great day.
You too.